Let's get started.
Can you believe your eyes? Is this a Roush? This thing is sweet. Roush Mustang. Looks like a 2008. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And it is tricked out. Wheels and tires. Engine upgrade. Suspension is the big thing with the Roush. Just such a sweet ride. Alright guys. Now what you guys don't know is, okay, this is a 2010, I verified it's a 2010 Roush Ford Mustang, right? Now this came with the following. Check it out. Lamborghini doors! Oh my goodness. Check it out. This thing is spotless. Check it out. We got Deadpool hanging out. This is a 45th anniversary Mustang 6-cylinder. Wheels, exhaust. Very cool. Look at this beauty out in the middle of nowhere. Here's a 5.0 Cobra. Is it? Could it be? He got the 5.